If you're an online fitness coach who isn't sure what you should be charging for your online fitness coaching programs, then this video is for you. One of the biggest mistakes online fitness coaches make, especially in the beginning, is they undercharge or set their prices based on their experience or so-called lack of experience. And the risk is that when you charge less, or if you end up being cheap, and let's say cheap, for example, is £50 a month or £100 a month, the risk is that the people that do sign up to your program don't really pay much attention, because people typically who pay less attention. And considering if you're a new online fitness coach in the beginning, you need social proof, you need case studies, you need to get results. And the only way to get results is to get people who are serious about wanting a result. And if you get people that are paying you cheap prices because they're not that serious, then surprise, surprise, you're not going to get the results. They're not going to get results. You're not going to get the social proof, and you're not going to have any case studies to use to get more clients. So here's what you need to do. In the beginning, if you're starting from scratch, sell your first program for $599. That's in pounds. I'm in the UK, but you could do $599 US dollars. $599 for 12 weeks. And then in month 4, it would go to $199 per month. So I'll even teach you how to sell it, right? Let's say you're on a call with somebody. And by the way, you shouldn't be selling in the DMs. You should be selling on a call, but we'll cover that in a different video. Let's say that you're on the phone with somebody and you get to the end of the call and they're like, yep, sounds great. How much is it? You say, okay, John, so for the 12-week program, to get the workouts, the check-ins, the weekly check-ins, the daily support, the nutrition, all of the stuff, it's $599 for 12 weeks. And then in month 4, it goes to $199 a month. Fair enough, or sounds good? In the worst case scenario, where you really think they want to do it, it's just like a matter of money, and it actually feels like legit, like legitimately, they do really want to do it, but it's just about the money. Then you can offer them a monthly payment plan. And this would just work out to $199 per month. So for example, let's say John says, you know what, Dan, I really want to do it, but I just don't have £600. Okay, John, if there was a way that you could pay on a monthly basis, would you want to hear about it? He says yes. And then you say it's just $199 to get started. Okay. Later down the line, when you want to start charging more for online fitness coaching, this is where you would move into pricing of, say, $997 for 6 months, or like $1,595 for the year. Or maybe you have two options where you say it's either 3 months for $599 or 6 months for $997. But sticking to the theme of this video, if you are a new online fitness coach, or maybe you're just somebody who has been charging online coaching for a while, but maybe just too low, this is a great place for you to start. Okay, $599 for 12 weeks into $199 a month. And if you want a script that you can use to sell this stuff on the phone, if you want a script that we use inside FBC, inside our mentorship, then just message me the word script on Instagram at Fitness Business Coaching, and I'll give you a free copy of the script that we use. So if you found this useful, follow the page, subscribe to the channel, drop a like if you liked it. And if you have any follow-up questions, just comment them below. And I'll catch you on the next video.